Summer Classic, a showcase of baseball played at its highest level. We've reached the middle of the season, so it's fitting that we're in the middle of America celebrating our nation's pastime. The baseball season is a long, unforgiving grind for even the world's best athletes. So for just one night, we can step away from the standings and remember why this country's love affair with the game has stood the test of time. Two teams built by you, the fans, for the ultimate matchup. The best competing against the best, with more than bragging rights at stake. Just ask the Cardinals. The blueprint for October will be brought to you. This is the game where we see future Hall of Famers passing the torch to the next generation of superstars. When we see the boys of summer actually being boys. A night where the fastball is firing and the long ball is inspiring. And the one night where it's okay to root for your rival. It's the 83rd annual MLB All-Star Game from Kansas City next.